Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to draw a football referee step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the hair. Draw an oval shape for the hair. Add some side hair with curved lines. Step 2. Draw the face. Sketch a semi-oval for the face. Add ears, eyebrows, eyes, nose, and mouth. Step 3. Draw the jersey. Draw lines for the neck, then sketch out the V-shaped collar, stripes, and sleeves. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Draw the arms. Add lines for the arms, then draw clenched fists. Step 5. Draw the shorts. Sketch lines for shorts, ovals for the knees, and connect them. Step 6. Draw the legs. Draw tube-like legs, curve them for calves, and bend for feet. Step 7. Draw the boots and socks. Draw curved lines for socks, add stripes and cleats at the bottom. Step 8. Taking your drawing to the next level. Adding a background such as turf of football and a football pitch. Step 9. Coloring your drawing. Grab your coloring supplies and bring your referee to life. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw a football referee. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. Make sure to explore the video description for additional details about our art tutorials and services. Feel free to reach out if you have any other drawing requests. Thank you for watching.